Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-reel layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from MTH, RMT, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. MTH Electric Trains has announced 2 exclusive Rail King O-Gauge Husky Stack cars in Santa Fe War Bonnet and Black Bonnet colors for Patrick's Trains. The cars will each be available as single cars in 2 unique car numbers, as well as in 3 car sets with each car individually numbered. All cars will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2024. The early order price for individual cars is $79.99 each, or 3 car packs are priced at $219.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge Imperial ES44AC diesel locomotive and matching caboose in unique cancer awareness colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The locomotive and caboose, each sold separately, will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in August 2024. The early order price for the ES44AC diesel is $419.99, and the extended vision caboose with LED lights is $84.99. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 Premier O-Scale 40-foot steel-sided power meter boxcar in Railway Express Agency, Long Island Railroad, Milwaukee Road, Northern Pacific, New York Central, and Santa Fe schemes this winter. These all-new cars will be available in 2 different car numbers and are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in December 2024. The suggested retail price is $89.99 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 462 P47 Baldwin Pacific steam locomotive in Grand Trunk Western colors for exclusive distribution by Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The locomotives will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in September 2024. The early order price is $1329.99 plus freight. Ready Made Trains has announced a new Trainmaster Premium boxcar decorated for CPKC, as well as numerous custom runs for RMT dealers. These 40-foot steel side-style PS1 cars are true full-size 3-rail O-Gauge O-Scale freight cars, and they operate on O31 curves. New cars are expected to arrive at authorized RMT dealers in July 2024. See your local RMT dealer or follow the link in the video description to order direct from RMT. Coming soon in paperback is The Railroads That Built the Finger Lakes, From Fallen Flags to Modern Short Lines by Mark Klingel. This 96-page edition follows the history of railroads in the Finger Lakes region from original lines like the New York Central and Lehigh Valley to today's short lines. Follow the link in the video description to pre-order. And new in paperback is Train Trivia for Rail Fans. Railroad brain teasers for train lovers of all ages. 220 questions and answers by Pam Anderson. This amazing trivia book filled with 220 multiple choice questions and answers makes the perfect train gift for rail fans of any age. Even if you already know a lot about trains, you're sure to learn even more as you turn the pages filled with fun facts about steam trains, diesel locomotives, high-speed rail, engineers, conductors, Pullman cars, European railways, railroad companies, famous trains, songs, and movies about trains, world records, history of trains, parts and types of trains, and so much more. Written in an easy-to-read multiple-choice format, you'll be astounded by all of the train history and facts you'll enjoy reading about. They've even included the answers at the end of the book if you want to sneak a peek and see if your guesses are correct. The book makes a perfect railfan gift for any train lover. Follow the link in the video description to order. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And a short programming note, from May through July 2024, we will be publishing our long-format videos every other Saturday to allow time to pursue outdoor activities and family time. Episode number 188 is scheduled for publishing on May 25th, 2024 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The What's New in O-Gauge series will continue weekly publication every Tuesday at 9 a.m. to provide you with new product information throughout the summer. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.